If you have not subscribed my channel, please tap the red button below the video to subscribe so that you don't miss out any useful remedy in future. Also click on the bell icon to get notified about new videos.
Neem oil that's extracted from neem seeds is rich in medicinal properties, which are what makes it a great ingredient in cosmetics and other beauty products, soaps, hair oil, hand wash, soap, etc. It can treat a bunch of skin diseases and is known to be an excellent mosquito repellent. You can mix it with coconut oil and apply it over your body as well. It is believed that in India, small children are fed neem oil as a type of cure-all. Besides being such a great Ayurvedic healer, neem oil can be used to protect other plants. It can also be used in creams, soaps and other cosmetic products. In the world of Ayurveda, neem is a popular medicinal herb that's been part of traditional remedies that date back almost 5,000 years. Neem flowers can be used to treat anorexia, nausea, belching and intestinal worms. Ayurveda suggests neem leaves are good for the eyes and useful in treating skin disease and headaches. They're used in aromatherapy because of their calming effect.
Welcome to my channel, viewers. And welcome to today's video. Today we are going to prepare Miraculous neem oil, which is really good for hair growth. So let's prepare neem oil. Take 2 cups of neem leaves. Add 1 cup of coconut oil.
Add 2 tablespoons of neem juice. You can also watch my video on how to make neem juice. The link is given in description below. Turn on the flame on medium heat and fry the leaves until they turn brown. Five natural hair benefits: controls hair loss, adds shine and smoothness to hair, relieves itchiness and dryness of hair, absorb the excess oil from the scalp, and controls dandruff and lice in the hair. Now turn off the flame and let it cool down.
Finally, strain the oil and store it in a glass bottle. Let's prepare our next remedy for shiny, smooth and silky hair. Soak 1 cup of neem leaves in a glass of water. Cover it and leave it overnight. Next morning, strain neem water and fill it in the spray bottle. You can spray this neem water on your hair and skin both. Use this 3 times a day. Your hair will be shinier and thicker. Thank you for watching. Please tap on red button below to subscribe my channel.